Here we have the Feyachi WL18 tactical weapon light. Inside the box you have your instructions. You have the flashlight itself, a tactical corded switch, a USB cord for charging, the battery charger, and two 2600 milliamp 18650 rechargeable batteries. This flashlight is machined out of a durable aerospace aluminum. It has a military hard anodized matte black finish. It has a tempered glass lens, a recoil-proof LED lamp with a 1200 lumen blinding white light, and it'll reach out to 200 meters. It has a simple on-off tail cap, and it also has a built-in rail mount for a 1913 Picatinny rail with thumb screws for easy installation. This light is dual O-ring sealed and has an IPX4 waterproof rating, which means you can use it in the rain with no problems, and it can also be submerged up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. The light is impact resistant. It is 5.7 inches long, 1.3 inches in diameter, and weighs 7.8 ounces with the battery installed. Here is the tactical corded switch. This entire section right in here is the momentary contact, so wherever you press it on that area, the light will just turn on and off as you press it. This raised area here is the permanent on and off. And the switch comes with a hook and loop strap to hold it to your firearm. When charging the battery, you plug your cable into your USB power source. Simply insert the battery, and it has an LED readout right here. It's red when it's charging, and it will turn blue when it's fully charged. Okay, let's test the brightness of this light. 1200 lumens, very bright. Let's go out to a distance. That tree right in the center is about 100 yards away. There's plenty of light. This battery has a 3-hour constant on life on a full charge. Here it is mounted to my rifle, utilizing the hook and loop strap that's provided to hold the wire. And there is the flashlight with that built-in rail mount. That's a fantastic feature.